Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. We have our Ipsy May 2022. Let's get into it. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. You see the extra tape, so... Well, that was pretty sticky. Okay, let's see what we got. Products inside, outside the bag. Wild Beauty. Sorry for the glare. And Grow with Ipsy on TikTok. Ooh, I'll have to check it out. Okay. Oh, yay, we got prices. Okay, so let's see what's here. Grow Gorgeous Defense Detoxifying Scalp Scrub, 30 mLs, 1.0 fluid ounces. Oh, this is nice. I like that. That must have been a add-on. Okay, this must be also an add-on. Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner, super fast strength, 1.7 ounces, 50 mLs, caffeine and ginseng. Okay. Oh, Mark Anthony. Yes, those were my two add-ons. All right. So what do we have? Oh, tweezers. MOTD. Killer Pear. Those are nice. What do we have for price? 12. This is full size. Slanted tip tweezer. All right, let's talk about the bag. I think it is gorgeous. It looks like a painting. I love this fuchsia, but purple, you know, is my color. And these pretty flowers, they look like peonies. Could be wrong. We have the Ipsy tassel here. Okay, struggle is real today. What is this? Nice packaging. Plum Candy Melt Vegan Lip Balm. This is so cute. Let's see. I don't want to ruin it. Oh yeah, you'd have to tear it open. And it's in Berry Feast. So let's see. Deluxe sample. Full size would be $12. I love a good lip balm. Then right here we have Black Magic by Ico. Cocoa Edit. You can see it's brown. It's a liquid eyeliner. And this is also a deluxe sample. Full size would be $22. I like that it's brown. And Hemp's Pomegranate Herbal Body Butter. 1.8 fluid ounce, 53 ounces. And I think this is what I picked. So, pomegranate butter. Deluxe sample. Full size would be $19. And last, it was Wonder Beauty Unleashed Curl and Volume Mascara. Ooh. Let's see. Deluxe sample. Full size would be $26. Lift your lashes to new heights. Oh, I'm going to have to try this out. I want to try this out, guys. You want me to try it out? Do a short video on it. So this is mascara, some body butter, something for the lips, eyeliner, tweezers, and the bag. What do you guys think? For $13 a month, and I did do two add-ons. I believe those were $3 each. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you like Ipsy? Do you like what I got? Do you like the bag? Let me know down below. And as always, guys, stay safe.